Okay, so this is our bus management system project using Java, Swing, and also we have added the database. So let's start. So this is our main screen. We have two options, user login and admin login. First we will start with admin login. So this is the admin panel. So we are going to log in with our username, which is bus manage, and password, which is bus manage 123. Login. This is our admin control panel. If we want to add bus details, we can add through here. We can delete bus details by writing the bus number. We can also see all the bus details which are present in our database. Suppose I want to add one bus. The date will be 26th of Jan, timing 5 p.m. The price of the bus seat is 780. Seats are 225. Save. Bus details added. Now we can reset this. Here we have all the bus details. I've added this here. We can also manage the admin panel, like adding the admin. Inserted. Now we can see all the admin details here. Now if I want to delete the admin, I just need to write here the username. The admin is deleted. Here, look. Okay. Now here we have the user login. Suppose I'm not the existing user. For example, so it will tell me to create an account. So I need to create the account over here. If I have already an account, so I will write my username and password over here. Login. Okay. So this is the bus booking. I want from Jaipur to Udaipur. Yes, we have one bus over here. We have ticket here. We can also reset this. Print. We can save the ticket. Okay. Now we have feedback also. Like for example, okay. So this feedback is stored into this text file. You can see. Okay.